Bioinformatics is the science of using computers, algorithms, and data to understand biology. Imagine you're looking at DNA, a massive string of 3 billion letters. You can't read it by hand, but a computer can. And that's where bioinformatics comes in. It's about analyzing genomes, protein structures, and disease pathways, all using code and math. In short, bioinformatics helps us make sense of biology in this age of big data. Where can you use bioinformatics? Genomics. Scientists use bioinformatics to decode your DNA to check for diseases, ancestry, and even traits like eye color. In drug discovery, where pharma companies simulate thousands of molecules on computers before testing them in labs, this saves years of work. Especially now in disease tracking, particularly during COVID-19, scientists track viral mutations using bioinformatics. And nowadays, even in agriculture, you can improve crops by analyzing plant genes for better yield, resistance, and nutrition. And can you believe it? Personalized medicine based on your genes, you can have tailored treatments just for you. So if you love both biology and technology, bioinformatics might just be the perfect match for you. You will see it in several fast-growing industries, mainly in healthcare, because genetic testing kits like your 23andMe or Ancestry or even CRISPR therapy, and predictive diagnostics based on your genes. Pharmaceutical industries, where you're identifying new drug targets and speeding up clinical trials. In agri-tech and in food tech, where you're trying to create disease-resistant plants and mapping microbiomes on the soil. And neuroscience, where you can study how genes affect brain function and mental health. Imagine research and data sciences within this field, where you can map entire ecosystems entirely based on genetic data and run population scale health studies, all digitally. And with AI and machine learning now blending in, this field is exploding with possibilities. So what if you actually want to become a bioinformatician? What careers are out there for you? You can become a bioinformatics scientist, where you're working on analyzing biological data for research or product development. Or you could become a computational biologist, where you can build models of biological systems, like how a disease spreads in your body. All of these fields have an entry package of around 10 to 15 lakhs per annum in India. A genomics data analyst handles large-scale genetic data from hospitals or labs. A clinical bioinformatician directly works in healthcare to analyze patient data on site. And of course, you can become a software developer, just like how you have your 23andMe and an Ancestry, where you can build tools for scientists to help analyze these genes, analyze these traits, and more. And of course, the world of research and academia is always open for you, where PhD researchers or university professors in bioinformatics build this field even more from the ground up and inspire students just like you to get into fields like this. So whether you love coding or cracking life's mysteries, there is a path here for you. So what do you do if you want to get into it when it comes to studies? If you're in grades 9 to 12, build your foundation, because biology, mathematics, and computer sciences become an extremely important part of your curriculum within this field. Of course, learn basic coding. Python is an amazing start. You will find a lot of repositories ready for that. When you are in university, pursue biotech, bioinformatics, computer science, and a biology elective, or biomedical engineering as well. You have a lot of IITs, IISERs, BITS, Delhi University. All of these offer some or the other related programs or even exact programs in bioinformatics for you. There are multiple online resources like NCBI's tutorials, Coursera Bioinformatics, and Rosalind.info, where you can access data and play a lot with all of this. Of course, you have a lot of practice tools available to you on the internet, like NCBI's BLAST, the BioPython repository using the statistical programming language R, and Galaxy platform. Don't worry if you don't understand it yet, because curiosity is your best tool. Start small and build big. Bioinformatics is the future of biology. It's not just about labs anymore, it's about code, data, and impact. Whether you want to fight cancer, feed the world, or predict the next pandemic, this is the field to be in. So if you are someone who loves science and screens, maybe this is your calling. This was your beginner's guide to bioinformatics. I am Mihir, and I'll see you in the next one.